Reliability. The reliability of a quantitative measure is a major criterion for assessing its quality. Reliability refers to the stability of the test measure or protocol. Reliability is the extent to which scores are free from measurement error. Reliability of a test means how dependable, firm, trustworthy, or faithful the test is. Reliability is the degree of consistency or dependability with which an instrument measures the attribute it is designed to measure. Reliability, precision, reproducibility, repeatability. It is the ability of a test to give consistent result even after doing repeatedly on the same individual material under the same conditions. An instrument's reliability is the degree of consistency or dependability with which instrument measures what it is designed to measure. If a scale weighted a person at 120 pounds in 1 minute and 150 pounds in the next, we would consider it unreliable. The less variation an instrument produces is repeated measurements, the higher is reliability. If we use 80 scale to measure depression, it should indicate similar depression scores each time a subject completed within a short period of time. There are two basic sources of inaccuracy. One is deficiency in the instrument, error, and other is the inconsistency between two individuals who are using instrument. Reliability provides the consistency, which makes validity possible. It indicates how much confidence we can place in our results. When a measurement procedure yields consistent scores when the phenomenon being measured is not changing. Degree to which scores are free of measurement error. Consistency of the measurement. Giving the same or compatible result in different experiments, situations, is called reliability. So, by reliability of a test mean how dependable, trustworthy, or faithful the test is. Reliability refers to the consistency of measurement, that is, how consistent test scores for other evaluation results are from one measurement to others. Reliability refers to the consistency of scores obtained by the same individuals when re-examined with the same test on different occasions or with different sets of equivalent items or under variable examining conditions. Reliability of any research is the degree to which it gives an accurate score across a range of measurement. It can be viewed as being repeatability or consistency. It is the degree of consistency or dependability with which an instrument measures the attribute it is designed to measure. According to Bromland and Lin, refers to the consistency of measurement, that is, how consistent test scores for other evaluation results are from one measurement to others. Reliability covers for different approaches to reliability assessment, including the following. Methods of reliability. 1 test retest method. 2 split half method. 3 parallel forms method. 4 internal consistency method. 5 scorers reliability. 6 rater reliability. Intra-rater reliability. Inter-rater reliability. Statistical calculation, test retest reliability, administration of the same measure to the same people on 2 occasions, or repetitions over occasion, or consistency in results that is reliable. In test retest reliability, the single form of the test is administered twice on the same sample with a reasonable time gap. In this way, to administration of the same form of the 2 independent sets of scores. The 2 sets, when correlated, give the value of the reliability coefficient. In test retest reliability, replication takes the form of administering a measure to the same people on 2 occasions, or test retest reliability refers to the extent to which a test or measure administered to the same people at another time. If a measure yields a good estimate of the true scores of an attribute, ideally, it will do so comparably on separate administrations. When score differences across weights are small, reliability is high. This type of reliability is sometimes called stability or reproducibility, the extent to which scores can be reproduced on repeated administrations. Example, we are interested in the test retest reliability of 16-item esteem scale. Self-esteem is a fairly stable attribute that does not fluctuate much from day to day, so we would expect a reliable measure of it to yield consistent scores on 2 occasions. To check the instrument's reliability, we administered the scale 2 weeks apart. It can be seen that, in general, differences in scores on the 2 testings are not large. Example, weighing scale giving different results every time can't be reliable. Test retest reliability can be assessed with virtually all means, including biophysiological measures, performance tests. Test retest reliability is a measure of reliability obtained by administering the same test twice over a period of time to same group of individuals. Test retest reliability is the degree to which scores are consistent over time. It indicates score variation that occurs from testing session to testing session as a result of errors in measurement. Same test different times. Only works if phenomenon is unchanging. Example, administering the same questionnaire at 2 different times. A test is administered to the subjects and after a period of time, it is administered again. If the test is reliable and the trait being measured is stable, the results will be consistent and same. This method can be used with self-report, observational and physiological measures. The comparison of scores is performed objectively by computing reliability coefficient, which is an index of the magnitude of the test reliability. Test retest reliability refers to the extent to which a test or measure administered at one time is correlated with the same test administered to the same people at another time. Procedure of calculating test retest reliability stability of research instrument. Procedure of calculating test retest reliability of research instrument involves the following steps. Administration of research instrument to a sample of subjects on 2 different occasions. Scores of the tool administered at 2 different locations are compared and calculated by using formula of correlation coefficient. The correlation coefficient reveals the magnitude and direction of relationship between scores generated by a research instrument at 2 separate occasions. Interpretation of results. The results of the correlation coefficient range between 1.00 through 0.00 and plus 1.00, and the results are interrelated as follows. Plus 1.00 score indicates perfect reliability. 0.00 score indicates no reliability. A score above 0.70 indicates an acceptable level of reliability. Key aspects of reliability. Stability aspect, similar results in separate administration. Stability of an instrument is the extent to which the similar results are obtained on 2 separate administrations. This measure of reliability is generally used with physical measures, technological measures, blood pressure, weight, and paper and pencil scales. Internal consistency aspect, homogeneity, equivalence A. Researchers usually discuss reliability in terms of a reliability coefficient. This term refers to the connection between 2 measurements that are obtained in the same manner. How to improve reliability of test scores. The group of How to improve reliability of test scores. The group of examinees should be heterogeneous, that is, the examination should vary widely in their ability or trait being measured. Items should be homogeneous. Test should preferably be a longer one. Items should be discriminatory ones. Split half technique. Kronbach's alpha.